There, the, das. Do you know what are these words? These are articles in German, used in nominative case. Let's learn articles in German. Hello and welcome to German Schule. In this lesson, we'll be learning articles in German. So, let's begin. Lektion 16. Noch einmal Lektion 16. Artikel im Nominativ. Teil 1. Before we starting, first see objective for this lesson. First, we see what is nominative, where und was. Then, what is substantive. Then, types of articles. Then, definite articles. So, let's begin. Nominative. Well, the most important thing in the sentence is to understand the nominative. Let's look at the example. Sabine ist ledig. Sabine ist ledig. Das Haus ist groß. Das Haus ist groß. Let's look at the subject in both the sentences, Sabine and house. Here, the subject is nominative case. As we have learned in previous lessons, subjects conjugate the verbs. And the verb here is ist. To understand it better, that is made up of subject plus verb. That is equal to subject plus verb. Subject is always nominative and the verb depends on the subject. The subject can be noun or a pronoun, which can either be singular or plural. In previous lessons, we already did pronouns. Now let's move on to the noun. Nomen, substantive. Nomen are also known as a substantive. They can be either person or Sache, means thing. And this can be a singular or a plural. A noun can be accomplished by an article. Hence, article state for them substantive, meaning article is placed before the noun. Let's look at the example for person and Sache. Where is das? Who is this? Das is Peter. Look at another example with thing. Was ist das? What is that? Das ist ein Bus. Basically, the questions with where and was help you to identifying the nominative. Their article. The article. It is important to remember that all nouns in German having articles, and article stands before the noun. In German, there are three basic types of articles: definite article, indefinite article, and negative article, which is known in German as bestimmt article, unbestimmt article, and negative article. In this lesson, we'll be doing bestimmt article in nominative case. So, let's look at some sentences. Der Mann ist glücklich. The man is happy. Man is nominative subject und Nomen. If you look carefully, there is an article and the article here is there. Similarly, in next sentence, their apple is rot. Apple is nominative subject, which is noun, and article here is there. The article there is mainly used for masculine. Next, the Frau trinkt wine. The woman drinking wine. Here, the article is die. Next, the Katze ist freundlich. The cat is friendly. Here, also the article is die. Hence, article die is mainly used for feminine. The next one is das. Das baby is süß. Here you can notice baby is nominative subject and das is article. Das is mainly used for neutral. Let's look at plural article. Die Kinder spielen. The children are playing. Similarly, next sentence, die Bücher sind bunt. As you can see, the article for plural is same as article for female and it's die. Bestimmt article in nominative. Let's look at this table to understand it better. Bestimmt article or definite articles are as follows. For masculine, in singular it is their. For plural it is die. For feminine, for singular it is die. For plural it is die. For neutral, in singular it is das. For plural it is also die. As we discussed, there is an article for singular and article for plural. The article in plural does not depend on the gender. It's always die. That means in singular for masculine it is their man. For plural it is the manner. Also in singular for feminine it is the Frau and for plural it is the Frauen. Another one, in singular for neutral it is das baby. In plural it is the babies. As you can see here, article for plural is always die. The easiest way to remember the definite articles in German is to just remember R for their, E for the and S for das. RES. This is the easiest way to remember definite articles in nominative. To practice articles, try to learn German vocabulary with the articles. This is all about der, die, das. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Dankeschön. Tschüss.